Okay, let's cut straight to the chase. So most probably you know how to run ads, you know how to build funnels. You're doing this for some clients already, but you're not doing it for yourself. But you're anywhere stuck between $3,000 and $5,000 per month, maybe even $8,000 per month. Maybe even you hit $10,000 per month, but you dropped all the down back towards $3,000 per month. And you can't seem to break through again and figure out the system where you can actually go back towards these higher numbers, for example, consistent $10,000 per month. In today's video, I'm going to break down the complete system, how to go beyond 10,000 to actually make consistently between $10,000 and $15,000 per month. And I'm not talking theory because I'm going to walk you through the exact same system I personally used to scale my agency exactly from these $3,000 to $5,000 per month towards consistent $10,000 to $15,000 per month. So let's come to the first point, which is you are actually offering the wrong kind of service. So you're managing ads, or you're kind of managing the funnels. And this means you're charging anywhere between $1,000, $1,500, maybe even $2,000. But the biggest problem here is that you need between 7 and 10 clients, which is like 10 clients which need to have new ads, which need to have reporting on a weekly or even daily basis. You kind of feel like a T solutionist or like an external IT marketing department where clients sending you daily messages on WhatsApp or Slack where you need to immediately respond because you feel like otherwise it will churn. You're completely drowning in work, but you feel like you're barely making more money. And literally the math doesn't make sense at scale. So you want to go beyond $10,000 and you think like, when I need to take this work to actually make $10,000 to $15,000, I will completely break. More clients at lower prices is more work at the end of the day with the same stress. And that's literally a freelance trap and not a real business. So let's shift this complete thing, which is actually getting you from these stressed out days and months where you're barely making $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 per month and you're having 7 to 10 clients and completely stressing out. The shift is actually very simple. So you need to first of all charge more per client. And you need to, in order to charge more, you need to sell transformation, not management of ads. So first of all, you need to go to a complete different niche where you can actually charge way more. And way more meaning you charge $2,000 to $5,000 per month per client. And you need to sell transformation, meaning you need to sell the end result the client is actually getting. So you're focusing on building an inbound client stream for them. Example, I just signed a 10,000 euro deal for 2 months, which is 5,000 euro per month. This works because we make our clients way more in investment. So we get them investors, which investing, a single investor investing, for example, $350,000. And he just invested into the company or into the fund, what they did. And I was behind this. And that's why we can actually charge in these numbers, because we are getting results and transformation. So I'm not selling CRM systems. I'm not selling the funnels. I'm not selling ads, although we're using all of them to actually achieve these results. But the client is only caring about the results we're getting them. And then you just need to figure out how to get these customers themselves into your calendar. So you need to build a system as well for yourself that you need to learn how to get at least 5 calls booked per day, that you can actually like do this 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, that you can then have a handful of clients and you can just like decide who you want to work with. And then you're in the positioning where you can like then easily scale towards $10,000, $15,000 per month, because you have the clients on the hand. At the end of the day, what we are selling right now towards our clients, so first of all, we do their static ads. We have very simple funnels, which we actually build all of them with AI. Also the static ads, we do all of them with AI. And then we do the CRM system automations where, for example, add on the feature WhatsApp. So we can even book more appointments because we are making ads or running ads into markets where the clients are just responding on WhatsApp. And then we just booking way more appointments because we added the feature with WhatsApp automation that the clients are responding over WhatsApp, and then the setters are just booking the customers into the appointments. And therefore we have a 50 to 70% lead to call booking ratio for our clients. And the end result is we getting 5 to 15 calls booked, not only for our own agency, but also for all of our clients. And when they hop on a call, we just say, look, this is the system. You just run through it. So you came from an ad, you booked yourself a call either through WhatsApp or yourself over a call booking page. And we just sold them in because they just run the same system how they came to us, and we do the same thing for them. Here's the thing nobody talks about when you're at the range between $3,000 and $8,000 per month. You literally don't know how to build, first of all, the system for yourself. But once you crack this, you know exactly how to offer this towards your clients, literally the thing I just talked about. So this is why I built personally Inbound OS, which is a system to get inbound clients booked for yourself. So if you want to learn more how we did this, to see more case studies and so on and so forth, then just check out the link down below. If you want to work with us and you want to learn exactly how to book 5 to 15 calls every day as a marketing agency owner, as an inbound marketer, and if you want to do the same thing as we do, then you can also straight away book a call with us, with my team. They will explain to you exactly how this works. You can also, first of all, like I said, take a look at the case studies, which we have down there, where we show you actually what we've done for our clients and how we are booking weekly, daily 5 to 15 calls. If you like this and you are a marketer, then you will find more videos on this channel. See you in the next video.